Hi, my name is Becky Ingalls, and I'm a real Minnesota farmer who practices responsible, ethical agriculture. We have lived on the farm we're on now since 1974. We bought it in 1976. We've made a lot of improvements over the years. The farm has had to grow with our operation, which has continued to get bigger as the years go by. This week we will be hauling grain. As soon as the rain dries up a little bit, we'll be spraying crops. We will be getting a new load of baby pigs in, which we get every 4 weeks.
We'll be out scouting our fields for whether they need spraying or attention of some type, see how the crop is developing, and we will hopefully weather cooperates and everything goes good.
We hope you enjoyed learning about our real farm. Make sure to follow Minnesota Soybean on Facebook and Twitter to find out what else my family and I are up to this week.